Now it's been almost exactly a year since the third ACL surgery, and doing a lot of running, swimming. It feels good to be doing things that I enjoy, and I'm just really happy that I've been able to maintain the lifestyle that I want after having 3 knee surgeries by the time I'm 23.
NorthShore provides you with a team of orthopedic and spine experts to get you back to a pain-free, active life. Our specialists are located from downtown Chicago to the Wisconsin border and also come together under one roof in the new NorthShore Orthopaedic and Spine Institute. Located in Skokie, this is the region's only destination hospital focused on your orthopedic and spine care needs. Our specially trained staff of nurses, therapists, and many others work together to provide exceptional coordinated care from the moment you walk in until you recover. Our joint replacement team has the highest quality, minimally invasive techniques to get rid of your arthritis and allow you to return to activity in the shortest time. Our advanced care pathways minimize opioid pain medications and promote rapid recovery, which is why every year thousands of patients seek out NorthShore for their joint replacements, making us one of the most experienced centers in the Midwest.
I was very comfortable. I wasn't in pain at all. I had great pain management. Everybody was on the same page to get me back on my feet and walking, and I just followed the steps that they told me to do because I figured they had done this before and it worked for them and it worked for me.
The NorthShore Sports Medicine Center is the place where the pros meet the weekend warriors and active kids for the best possible care. Using the most advanced techniques from regenerative medicine to virtual reality planning, we are uniquely qualified to care for the spectrum of sports injury, from overuse to acute injuries in the pros.
They spent a lot of time preparing me for what the surgery would be like, what the post-surgical recovery would look like, and kind of really laid out a path for me that every day I could do something more than I could do the day before. That gradual and consistent recovery was just, mentally, emotionally, and physically really uplifting for me.
For the most complex back and neck problems, we take a comprehensive and conservative multidisciplinary approach, starting with physical therapy and advanced pain management. If surgery is necessary, our physicians use the latest minimally invasive procedures, including microsurgery and stem cells, to allow for the best possible outcomes for even our smallest patients.
I'm thankful that we chose the metacasting as treatment for Haley's scoliosis because it is the most effective treatment and it'll prevent her from having to have surgery when she's older. One of the really cool things about getting a new cast for Haley is that she gets to pick a new color, and one of the nurses puts glitter and sparkles on it every time, so it's really exciting for Haley. We're really happy with her care team and we're very thankful for all the help they've given us.